Hi everyone, I'm Gifta. Welcome back. In this video, we're gonna explore how websites can track user behavior and identify unusual patterns using Euclidean distance. Here's the setup. A website measures two features, the number of pages visited and the time spent in minutes. The average normal behavior is represented by a cluster center vector C is equal to 8, 12. We have four users with behavior vectors. U1 is equal to 7, 11, U2 is equal to 15, 3, U3 is equal to 9, 14, and U4 is equal to 8, 12. Our goal is to compute the Euclidean distance between each user vector and the cluster center, then find out which user is the most unusual. We wrote a Python program using NumPy to do this. The code defines the user points, subtracts the cluster center, and then uses np.linearalgebra.norm to calculate the distance for each user. Finally, it prints the distance and identifies the maximum. When we run the program, the results are distance of u1 is equal to 1.4142, distance of u2 is equal to 11.4018, distance of u3 is equal to 2.2361, distance of u4 is equal to 0. So u4 exactly matches the cluster center. u1 and u3 are very close to normal behavior, but u2 is way off with the largest distance. That measure user u2 is the most unusual user. What does this tell us? Euclidean distance is a simple way to measure deviation. Smaller distances mean normal behavior, while larger distances reveal anomalies. This technique is widely used in data analytics, anomaly detection, and machine learning clustering. And that's it. In just a few lines of Python, we've identified the outlier in user behavior. If you enjoyed this quick explainer, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you.